Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a to-do list video. I have a lot of things to do today on my to-do list and we're gonna check everything off. So let's get the day started. Okay, so this is my Notion and I made a to-do list. So these are all the things that I have to do. So I have to make my bed, work out, laundry, shower, skincare, pick out an outfit, put clean clothes away, take my vitamins, edit a video, journal, grocery shop, clean my room, pack for a trip, and package a Depop order. So let's get this day started. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, as you could see, and today I have a very busy day. Well, it's not like that busy, but I just have like a bunch of to-dos that I want to complete. I made a to-do list and basically I just want to complete everything that's on it. I have some stuff that I have to get done. Most importantly, I have to pack because I'm going to New York City again with my boyfriend and I'm super excited. So I have to pack for that. And I just have to do other stuff, like I have to clean around, I have to do laundry, I have to put away clean clothes, just like clean and organize and just get my life a little bit together before leaving because I'm gonna be gone for like a week. So I want to, you know, have everything like organized and set for when I come back. Also, I have to edit a video and then I have to edit this video because when I post this video, I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna be in New York, so I have to like film this video and edit it. So I have to go grocery shopping today because it's a couple of days before I leave. Today is a Wednesday and I leave on a Monday, so I still have a couple of days to, you know, like get some stuff done. And I need to go grocery shopping because I don't have some stuff and I need some like things that, like for example, like fruit that I'm gonna eat like before leaving and stuff. Also, I'm leaving by myself, like I'm meeting my boyfriend there, so my parents are still gonna be here at home, so we have to like buy some fruit and some things. So we're gonna go grocery shopping and yeah, we're basically just gonna be crossing off my to-dos and getting everything that I need to get done. So let's get this day started. I got 3 pastas, I got 2 bow ties and some seashells for soup. I got 2 organic raspberries, I got some organic bananas, and then I got some Fuji apples. Okay, so right now I just got back home from the grocery store and I'm going to clean the surfaces and all the furniture in my room and also the windows because it's been raining a lot in Miami and my windows have been getting dirty because of the rain. So I'm just gonna be cleaning my surfaces, my mirrors, the windows, and just cleaning around and make my room a fresher place. Okay, so now that I finished cleaning my room and the surfaces and the windows and everything, I'm going to pack. I actually changed into this black top because I just feel more comfortable in this black top. And I'm going to pack for New York City because I'm leaving soon. I'm going on a trip with my boyfriend and I'm so excited. So I need to pack and pick out like outfits and all that kind of stuff. Like pack my makeup, my products, my clothes, my puffer, everything. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm gonna bring, what I'm planning on bringing, and just pack with you guys. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I have some stuff laid out on my bed. So here I have 3 jeans. So these are like my favorite jeans. They're all from Levi's. So this is just a black one, a white one, and a blue one. And then here I have leggings to go under the jeans because it's gonna be really cold. Here I have a Miami Heat jersey because me and my boyfriend are gonna go to a Knicks game, and of course I'm supporting my city, Miami. Then I have a blue jean jacket right here, a cardigan, some shirts. I have a little sweater right here, a little sweater right here, a little sweater right here. And then I was debating on if I should bring this t-shirt and this brown Princess Polly jacket because I don't really know, first of all, if it's gonna fit, and I don't really know if I want to bring that because I'm basing my outfits on how to take pictures. As you guys know, I've been to New York a lot recently and I also went to London, so I don't want to repeat my outfits. So I'm trying my best to try to find new outfits, which means that I need to find clothes that I haven't really taken pictures with, which is really hard because I don't have a lot of clothes. That's why I'm gonna try to like shop a lot there. So this is what we're working with. Okay, so this is my suitcase. So I'm gonna open it and try to fit as much things as I can inside. Time to start packing. Okay guys, so I packed this side of my suitcase. I put all my clothes right here. I just have literally all my clothes. I stuffed it in one side. And then over here, I just have my like shower cap because I'm not gonna wash my hair every day. And then on this side, I put the Panda Dunks. And then I'm gonna wear those to the airport. Those are my New Balances that I'm gonna bring to the airport. And then this is gonna be my airport outfit. So I just have a hoodie, some sweatpants, a black shirt, and just like my socks. And then over here, we have all my like products. So like my contacts, my makeup remover, deodorant, perfume, lotion, eye cream, like all of my products. I'm not gonna close this yet because I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. On this side, I have all of my makeup in here and my moisturizer, but I have all my makeup. And then I also have to add this, but I'm gonna use this before I leave. And then my straightener that I'm also gonna use before I leave, that I also have to bring. And then I have to clean my makeup brushes that I'm gonna add in there as well. So I'm bringing my puffer, but obviously it doesn't fit in my suitcase, so I'm gonna have it on me. And I'm bringing a backpack. I have my purse inside of here. I have an umbrella. I have some shoes that I have to give my boyfriend. And then in here I just have like tissues, gum, an Uno game, my jewelry is in here, and then just like my wallet and just stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically all I can think of regarding packing. I think that I'm not missing anything, but if I am, I could always just add on to it before I leave. But yeah, I'm super happy that everything, like all my clothes, fit on one side. My suitcase looks pretty empty on the other side, but keep in mind that I have to add like my product bag and my makeup bag and my straightener and all of that. And I also want to have some extra space in case I buy anything. And also I brought a backpack because if I buy anything and it doesn't fit in my suitcase, I always could have it in my backpack. So that's why I think that traveling with a backpack is super convenient, and I totally recommend if you feel like you don't have enough space. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for packing. Okay, and the last thing on my to-do list is to package this Depop order. So I sold this top. It's from Zara, and I literally barely wore it. Like I wore it like literally once, and it's literally like brand new. It's super cute. It's from Zara, but I just didn't really like how it looked on me anymore. It wasn't really my style, so I put it on sale and I just sold it. You guys should definitely check out my Depop. I will have my ad right here, and I also have the link in the description box. So if you're looking for clothes, bikinis, literally anything for summer or for anything, if you have vacation, whatever, definitely check out my Depop because I am super down to negotiate and to like talk with you guys about prices. Send me offers, obviously like in moderation, but definitely send me offers. I'm super open to any negotiations. And yeah, so I'm gonna package this Depop order. Okay, so I just finished packing up the order and I'm going to ship it tomorrow because obviously it's nighttime and the post office is closed. But I'm super happy that I got everything in my to-do list done today. I'm super grateful because I really had a lot to do today, and I'm so happy that I filmed it for you guys and just checked off. I love checking off my to-do list. It's so satisfying when you have like a whole to-do list and you just check it off. So yeah, I'm super happy about that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was productive and this inspired you, motivated you to check off your to-do list if you have been procrastinating things that you have to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.